Just got on the boat. We're heading to Luma. No, we're heading to Moreton Island. Heading to Moreton Island, mate. Gonna dive in the Luma shipwrecks. Really nice out here.
Anything? We'll have to share a muffin together.
I guess when we go back, we'll get something. You already found two. Well, now we're gonna find one. Yo guys, that's a wrap for today. Really long day. I was up at like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Just got back home. What time is it? It's like 8 something right now. Completely dark out. But Moreton Island was really cool. Shipwrecks were really cool. I got some dope footage, as you just seen from above with the drone. When I went snorkeling, you couldn't really see under the water. It was pretty murky. So I really didn't. I did see like a couple big fish, colorful fish under there, but I really didn't like snorkel for like. I probably snorkeled for a total of like a minute, and then swam back to shore. And it was actually pretty tough to swim back to shore because the current was like making me drift along. So if you ever go to Moreton Island, it's called Luma Shipwrecks. I highly advise you to bring snorkel, whatever, and then fins. Because that would make you much stronger to get back to shore. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Tomorrow we are in the Gold Coast for our last full day. We're gonna go find koala bears. We're gonna go find kangaroos. Probably head down to the beach one more time and a few different other spots. But let me know what you guys think. Definitely leave a comment down below. And I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. This is the Life of Mikey. Peace.